This is in the morning. I have taken the water out, as you can see, and just left it on the rocks to air dry and still keep that connection with the energy from the local rocks. I would say that's been like now 4 hours or so after I soaked it. I took it out. It probably doesn't need quite that long in soaking. I would even think 30 minutes, 20 minutes would do it. But I was just trying to be extremely thorough on everything the first time around that I'm doing this, because I want the results to be a little more on the edge so that the effects would be perhaps a little stronger, since it's more needed as later on I don't have to keep redoing this testing, perhaps a few more times, but then it will be a gentler turn. Now this is today's weather for Thursday, the 8th, and it's still same location, and it's changed ever so slightly. If you see, the temperature changes here to what they were, and we even have a forecast for even more rain. And well, let's see, the temperatures are still quite high, although they're starting to go down here, which is one day over. We didn't have this day yesterday. We were up to here. Now my prayer was for low 80s, so I'm hoping that in the next day or two there would be a gentle shift. It would be 82, perhaps high 70s, 77 during the day, and 65, and maybe even a little lower, 62, 63. Now that may be cold for people, but I like cool nights. It just gives you that feeling of crisp and fresh air and kills all bacteria in the air, that kind of stuff. Well, not that temperature, but cooler nights. Anyways, this said, I wanted to do another quick test on MEFE and see what the energy output is, as far as the orgone energy. Even though it's not an orgonite, it still has some features in it that can have the byproduct of voltage. I want to make sure I have it right here and here. And it is quite high still, so it's in the 90s here. Now, if I were to touch anywhere around, there should be still energy registering. Wow, that was like even higher. So it all depends on what MEFE is working at the time. It's a constant active creation, but depending on how it is used and treated, it has different impact. We will be comparing the temperatures at least twice a day, and I'm not sure I'm going to be measuring all the time, especially if I wrap it in olive oil, although I might do one quick check and see. Thank you for watching.